Nicole Crocker again, and we are back with San Diego Spotlight. Today, I am here with Emma. She is the owner of Seven Sisters Interiors. Emma, please say hello and tell us a little bit about your company.
Hello, my name is Emma Messerschmidt. I'm the owner and principal designer at Seven Sisters Interiors. We work with independent window covering experts, contractors, and installers. We are an interior design studio with focus on custom window treatments. We offer shades, blinds, draperies, and shutters. Most of the products can be automated and remotely operated through phone, Alexa, Google Home apps.
Emma forgot to mention that she actually offers services to homeowners too, and we actually both forgot to mention that Karen is here as well. Karen's one of her manufacturer reps, and she's going to share with you a bunch of beautiful products that Emma can help you put in your home. Karen, come on in.
Good morning. Thank you for this opportunity. And I thought I'd start today by talking about what we like to consider our budget-friendly lines. Everybody wants a luxury home, everybody wants a beautiful home, and we can accomplish that even with budget-friendly products. So some of the items that I'd like to show you to start with are 2-inch blinds. They're the most basic of window coverings for your home or your office. They come in not only your just a solid white, but you can get these in beautiful tones that are in fashion today. You can get your grays, your charcoals. We also have our wood finishes, which will go with if you have more of a rustic interior, you want to match different finishes within your home, you can do a darker wood. These are all very budget-friendly products, but they look very expensive, which is a lot of fun. The next type of products we like to put into your home, if you're looking for not only a great look, but maybe an insulation. Southern California, there's a lot of heat. We try to keep some of that managed through window coverings. The honeycomb shades are probably the best product for this. They are a shade fabric. The interior of it is a honeycomb shape which traps your air, manages your heat and your cool. It comes in many, many different colors, pleat sizes, so we can put together something that'll work with the look in your home. We also offer blackout for bedroom, media rooms, things like that. There's another type of cell shade. Oh, and I can show you this on a larger scale so you really can get an idea of what it looks like. So it's a lot dressier, a lot more aesthetically pleasing in a larger scale. And there's your honeycomb profile. You can get shades cordless, like I'm showing you here. You can get them on cords, you can get them automated, which we'll talk about a little bit later. There's another, going into solar shades. This is something that's very, very popular in Southern California. One of the reasons is that we've got so many beautiful views, whether it be the ocean, it be canyons, mountains, we've pretty much got it all here. People don't necessarily want to block their view, but they do want to block the light. And so these come in, they're just on a roller, they just roll down flat, and you can get them in different densities. So it's very, very dense weave with no light coming through, or something light where you can see through it, but still be blocking a lot of the glare. Many different colors. They also come, the roll shades also come in patterns if you want to do something where you want to really kind of bring a design element into the room. And there's lots of different patterns and colors that they're available in as well. So another, when I was mentioning the honeycomb shade, that's considered a cell shade. So there's another product that we like to use as well. It's the Sonnet by Hunter Douglas. It also is a honeycomb or a cell shade in that it allows air to get trapped in the middle, again managing heat and cool. This one's a little bit different. The duet that I showed you stacks up. This one actually rolls, kind of like a roller shade. So this one contracts back up into a nice small little headrail, so it really just kind of disappears when you're not using it, which is really nice. And again, that's your cell shade. Lots of colors.
I want that for my house.
Yeah, these are wonderful. You can do in blackout in the bedrooms. Yeah, these are great. These are great. And then there's another really cool product that's a little bit newer on the market, and it's what we call our banded shade. So the way it works is that it's on a roller tube like this. When you pull the chain, it opens and it allows light to come through. You pull it, give it another tug, the veins line up and close to give you complete privacy. Or, and I don't have a hand sample unfortunately, it rolls back up into a cassette like this, so it just completely disappears. A lot of different weaves, a lot of different colors. So you can play, this is what it looks like closed, this is in the open, a lot of different colors. I do this in a lot of contemporary homes. Really great product. So I think that's it for what we like to call our budget-friendly products, and I think we're going to next show our more upscale lines, a little more high-end products and motorization. Welcome back. To continue on with talking about shades, we're going to look at what we consider more of our luxury lines. They're a bit of an upgrade from what we were looking at before. And in that line we have more of a traditional Roman shade. The thing that I love about the Roman shades is that they can be done in any kind of fabric, trim. For example, this is a cordless one, which again, in today's environment, a lot of times people don't want cords, especially with children in the home. Having cordless shades is actually considered a child safety product. So I just wanted to mention that briefly. Most products today are available either in cordless or automated. So when you get into the Roman shades, this is just an example, but you can pull from any fabric that you want and you can make a Roman shade out of it. You can do corresponding drapes as well. And then in addition to this, there are things such as these really fun trims that you can add to it. You can add them up the side of your shade, along the bottom as a trim detail. So if you really want to take it a step up and elevate it, you can start adding some trims and other details to your window coverings. In addition to that, there's some other products that are, this is a Hunter Douglas product called Pirouette. It looks like a Roman shade when it's down. You're able to open it with the pull of a cord, and it allows light and a view through it, or complete privacy. And then that rolls up into a head rail like this. So you've got your shade that is a full shade, but it can retract up into a very small space, which gives you a complete view, complete window opening, which is really lovely. This product is also by Hunter Douglas. It's called their Silhouette. It's similar to this in that when the shade is down, you've got your privacy. With a little bit of a tug, it then opens and you can see through it, which is really cool. So this is a great product for areas where maybe you don't have the best view, you want a little bit of privacy, but you still want a lot of light coming in. And again, with just a tug of the cord, it closes it back up, completely private, or it can retract all the way up to the head rail and completely go out of the way. Lots of different colors, fabrics, no patterns, just textures and solids. This we consider a 2-in-1. It has the sheer shade for light filtering, and it has the complete light block for privacy. Then we get into just really fun things like this product is called Cordon. It's a German product. We actually put this on a drapery track. You can just hang as a background. We've used it in showrooms to create environments for furniture and other things. But it also works lovely in homes as well. Again, just giving a little bit of softness, a little bit of light block. Then the other product that we love, we use a lot in Southern California, is shutters. Shutters are a beautiful product to work with heat, light mitigation. They're also a wonderful privacy. Pros and cons to shutters is that when you use a shutter, you typically just keep your door closed. Keep the shutter door closed, you don't open it up. So you're always going to be looking through the louver. And it does give a lot of nice light. You can manage the light whether you're tilting it up, tilting it down for privacy and light management, but it's always going to be there. So it's just something we like people to be aware of. It's an absolutely beautiful product. It comes in whites. You can do custom wood finishes to match existing wood products in your home. But your shutter's always in your window. So it's a matter of if you like that look or not. And then kind of to wrap it up, we were talking about automation, and a few of the items that we have here. This is drapery hardware, and you can do, for your drapes, you can do a manual like this, which could be on a cord or on a baton that you would just pull back and forth. But then we would get into automation with, there's different battery tubes that would be housed inside this, for example, and the motor would then be housed inside your drape, and it can be operated off of a remote control like this, a handheld remote. We can have remotes that are put on the wall. They can be run through different automation systems such as Google Home, Alexa. There's also apps that can be run on your cell phone, your iPad. So if you're out of town and you want to be able to manage your window coverings while you're gone, maybe have people think that you're home, you can actually work them remotely, raise them, lower them, turn them on and off. There's so many fun things about window coverings. There are constant new creative designs and developments and things that are coming into the market every day. So if you're interested in learning more about window coverings for your home or your business, please feel free to reach out to Emma at Seven Sisters, and she'll have a lot more information for you.